loser texts their crush.
I'm not texting my crush again. One.
Again? And who the hell is your crush?
Mm-hmm.
One.
So lucky. Why didn't you pull this one?
I don't know. I actually didn't see it. Okay.
Skip.
One. Little booger. Ew.
Skip.
Are you kidding me? One again. This one right here.
Bro. Oh, I thought it was gonna land on Skip. Since you're avoiding this one, I'm gonna avoid it too. Because I feel like
I'm not avoiding it. It's
you
just
know
out of
something.
reach.
That's the bad one.
No. One. Oh, they're deep in there. I gotta dig you. Come here. Ah. Oh yeah.
One. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna get this one.